last year's cold. Same red roses wilting on the same damn note. I lit the candle you always like to burn, but the flame just stared back like it had nothing left to learn. I keep checking places you used to leave your scent. The left side of the bed still pays your rent. Your toothbrush ghost is mocking me in blue. Tell me something, darling, did I imagine you? Where is my Valentine gone? Did she pack her heart and leave at dawn? Every forever we swore feels wrong. Where is my Valentine gone? I found your scarf still knotted like you left in a hurry. Smells like vanilla and the end of the story. I wear it anyway, though the neighbors stare, like maybe if I breathe you in, you'll still be there. The radio plays all our stupid songs. I switch it off before the chorus comes, but silence hurts worse, it screams your name. Funny how an empty room can feel like flame. Where is my Valentine gone? Did the love just tire and move along? I'm still holding tickets to a place called us. Where is my Valentine gone? Maybe you're laughing in some brighter town. Maybe someone else gets to let you down. Maybe I'm the villain in the version that you tell. I just wish you left a forward in address to hell. Cause I'd rather know you're happy, even far away, than keep pretending that you might come back today. Where is my Valentine gone? Was it me who held the door too long? I still set two plates when the table said, where is my Valentine gone? Happy Valentine's, I guess, wherever you are tonight. I hope the roses don't die too fast, like they always do.